Hi, my name is Kathy Evans and welcome to my essential oil video. Today I'm talking to you about why you can be excited about the 10 most popular essential oils in the Doterra Healthy Start Kit and 3 of the most practical ways to use each oil to support your health physically and emotionally. But the excitement really begins when you realize 3 things. One, you can be confident that doTERRA oils are certified pure, safe, tested, and effective natural solutions to take care of you and your family, including your fur babies. And then 2, that these oils stand the test of time as the most used oils for daily emotional and physical support. And you now have them at your fingertip when life happens. And yes, oils do anchor emotions to support wellness. And 3, when looking for over-the-counter alternatives to replace, let's say, Tylenol, Pepto-Bismol, sinus medication, Motrin, sleep aids, Neosporin, cough suppressants, things that you would fill up your medicine cabinet with, these 10 oils offer a safe, effective, and natural option to supporting your health. The 10 oils in the Healthy Start Kit come in 5 ml bottles, approximately 70 drops. We've got lavender, breathe respiratory blend, tea tree, lemon, digestive blend, deep blue, soothing blend, peppermint, oregano, frankincense, on guard protective blend, and a Pebble diffuser. Now, every essential oil needs a diffuser. This Pebble is an ultrasonic diffuser. It is perfect for lungs and it covers up to 270 square feet. So it's perfect for a kitchen, a living room, a bedroom, or an office. It's so simple to use and it really travels nicely in the luggage for those hotel stays. Just add water to the line and then I add 1 to 2 drops of oil for every hour I run the diffuser. And I usually add, a total of 4 to 6 drops a total. And sometimes I will use up to 3 different oils depending on the mood I want to create or what I want to do. So your Pebble can run up to 2 hours, 5 hours, or intermittently every 5 minutes for 10 hours. So the Pebble has 5 light options with colors and an off light. Our first oil is great for calming the nerves and a better night's sleep, or calming your skin irritations and seasonal challenges. So lavender, this is our Swiss Army knife of oils. It's very versatile for so many things that you will learn about later. And then you can use it 3 ways: aromatically, topically, and internally. Now, lavender is safe to use without dilution. Topically, however, I like to use the doTERRA fractionated coconut oil to dilute it 1 to 1, and it stays on the skin a little bit longer for better absorption, and it really improves the spreading. And then it can be used aromatically, and I just put it in my diffuser. You can breathe it in, and it affects the emotional brain and hypothalamus, and it just calms and soothes the nervous system and the endocrine system. And then also it can be taken internally. It has a supplemental fact label on the bottle, and doTERRA oils are certified pure, tested, and safe to take in small amounts internally. So the first thing that I use lavender for is just calming. I diffuse it in my Pebble diffuser. I add maybe 4 to 6 drops, then add the water, set it to the desired time. This oil calms the mind and it can be used actually with frankincense to create this meditative state. Or you can just apply it to put it on your hand, put it on your forehead, and just get a more restful sleep. And then the second way is lavender. I use it for seasonal discomfort, sneezing and stuffy feelings. It's awful. So I use it with 2 oils, the lemon and the peppermint. And these are our seasonal challenge oils, or we call them trio. And then we put them together in 3 different ways to give seasonal support. So one of the ways is to diffuse it, 2 to 3 drops each of these oils. Or the second way is to add 20 drops to a roller bottle like this, and then top it off with fractionated coconut oil, and then I put it on like war paint, like here, and it gives me relief. And then you can do 1 to 2 drops of each of these oils in a shot glass of water or in a capsule for daily seasonal support. And then lavender also can be used topically, diluted if you have a burn, a bug bite, irritated skin, or a wound. Now, I do have this owie formula that I love, and it uses lavender, frankincense, and tea tree. Now, I'll talk about that recipe when I get to tea tree. And all these oils that I'm talking about are in the Healthy Start Kit. Your second oil is for opening airways when breathing is challenged, when exercising or sleeping, or when the air quality is low. So Breathe Respiratory Blend has eucalyptus, peppermint, ravinsara, cardamom, and lemon. So you can use this blend aromatically and topically. So number one, add a drop to your palm and then inhale for fast relief. Rub it on your chest and just feel the vapors rise to experience easy breathing. Now, number two, add 3 to 4 drops to your Pebble diffuser at bedtime. And you can also add 2 drops of frankincense or lavender just for calming a restless sleep when you're struggling with breathing. Number three, inhale and rub on your chest when you need to emotionally release that closed in feeling. Have you ever had that elephant on your chest feeling? This works beautifully. The third oil is tea tree essential oil, and it can be used 3 ways: aromatically, topically, and internally for cuts, colds, skin imperfections. Tea tree replaces any antiseptic over the counter for supporting skin health, and it also supports immunity. So the first way to use it is the recipe for owie spray. 10 drops each of tea tree, frankincense, and lavender, and equal parts of Doterra fractionated coconut oil, vitamin E, and aloe vera gel. Put it in a 1-ounce spray bottle. This soothes scrapes, a little one's tears, minor burns. It's safe enough for baby's bottom. In fact, we made them as gifts for a baby shower. Number two, apply neat topically to skin imperfections when they pop up, or add a few drops with witch hazel and just spray it on and use it as a face toner. Number three, when you are feeling under the weather, add 1 to 2 drops of tea tree and 4 other very specific oils that are in this kit into a capsule and take internally. This immune recipe is called Floot, Floot, and it has served me and all my clients well in the last 3 trying years. And I will post the recipe below. The fourth oil is for bringing sunshine, more brain clarity, and cleansing in your life. Lemon essential oil can be used all 3 ways: aromatically, topically, and internally. Number one, for aromatic uplift and to sharpen the brain when waking up, add 4 to 5 drops to the Pebble diffuser. And if you need extra lung support, you can add 2 drops of frankincense. Number two, as a cleanser, add 15 drops to equal parts of vinegar and water in an 8-ounce spray bottle to cleanse surfaces and glass. Then you can also use lemon neat. Neat means no dilution on glassware to remove that sticker goo instead of using the toxic Goo Gone. And then 3, enjoy 1 to 2 drops of lemon in your water for internal cleansing. Now, I always use glass or metal when using essential oils in my drink. No plastic. There's my cup. And then a note about citrus. Lemon is photosensitive, so do not apply topically when going into the sun. If you did, wait 12 hours or just apply it where the sun does not shine. Use it for occasional bloating, gassiness, stomach discomfort from big meals or eating on the run. My favorite for travel gut, Digestzen Digestive Blend, has anise, peppermint, fennel, caraway, ginger, cardamom. This is my travel buddy. Use this blend all 3 ways: aromatically, topically, and internally. So you can apply Digestzen topically diluted to the stomach to relax and improve digestive movement. I like to move it clockwise on my stomach. Number 2, with large meals or traveling, add 1 to 2 drops to water before a meal to bring your nervous system into a rest and digest mode and to protect for a healthier digestion. Number 3, stuffy sinus. Apply Digestzen to the nose, under the cheekbone, like you did for the seasonal trio for freer breathing. It works like magic. The 6th oil is everyone's favorite for soothing sore muscles, trauma, growing pains. Deep Blue Soothing Blend can be used aromatically and topically. It has peppermint, menthol, ling-ling, helichrysum, which is your trauma oil, blue tansy, wintergreen, German chamomile, and osmanthus. So the first thing I like to do is I like to add it to a 10 ml roller bottle. It comes in your goodie bag. I give it to you as a wholesale customer. And then you're going to add a quarter of Doterra fractionated coconut oil for a hands-free application. So you're going to apply it to the target area of discomfort before and after a workout. Apply every few hours for chronic discomfort. Apply to bruising or to release tension in the back and the neck. Now, I like to dilute with Doterra's fractionated coconut oil because in it, the fat is taken out and it's not greasy and it's healthy for the skin. And you can order this on your account. All right, the second is for aromatic benefits. So you're going to take a drop, put it in your hand, you're going to inhale it, and it will release emotional trauma. Wow, it creates an emotional, soothing aroma. All right, number 3, apply it to the back of the neck, the forehead, the nose, under the cheekbones, even the top of the head for sinus relief or wherever or whenever you have intense head discomfort. The 7th oil is the second most popular oil next to lavender. It invigorates, it increases stamina, and it opens sinuses when using alone or in the seasonal challenge recipes. Peppermint essential oil can be used 3 ways: aromatically, topically, and internally. So the first way to use it is 1, add 1 to 2 drops to your water or your drink to increase stamina and soothe your digestion. It has been studied to improve athlete stamina. Number 2, increases alertness when driving at night or improves concentration during a test. Add peppermint with lemon to a diffuser, or you can inhale it from your palm or your wrists. And then number 3, if you need cooled down, add 10 drops of Doterra peppermint to water in a 1-ounce spray bottle for cooling effects while working or playing in the hot sun, or if you need hot flash relief. You can also use peppermint neat on the bottom of the feet to cool body temperature. The 8th oil. So glad you're still hanging in there. Save this valuable information. The recipes and informations will be posted below. So this oil is for the tough stuff. A super hot oil that is used for toe fungus, warts, immune, and gut support. Oregano essential oil. It was my gateway oil when I first got my kit to soothe my chronic throat discomfort. You will be glad you have it on hand when feeling under the weather. It is the O in the flute recipe for immune support. So number 1, apply neat, that means no dilution, topically to toes and warts with a Q-tip. It's very hot. Do this a few times a day. Number 2, add 2 drops to a capsule with tea tree oil and take internally when supporting the immune system, gut health, and weight management. So use it 2 weeks out of the month and then use the PB Assist probiotics afterwards. Number 3, add a drop to Italian dishes and dressings. It is delicious. So the 9th and 10th oil, I am saving the best for last. So the 9th oil is for supporting your immune system while protecting your body from microbes. Now, this is the other O in our flute immune blend. Doterra On Guard Protective Blend is a powerful blend of cinnamon, clove, peppermint, wild orange, rosemary, and eucalyptus, and it can be used all three ways: aromatically, topically, and internally. So also remember to check the bottle for the supplemental fact label if it's okay to use internally. Now, oils in this blend are hot and need to be diluted in a 1:5 ratio for topical application on children, so you can dilute it with a fractionated coconut oil. So when applying to your feet, though, you may use it neat or undiluted because of the skin thickness. And why feet? When you look at a reflexology chart of your feet, you will see that there are reflex points to certain areas of your body that when oils are applied, it goes directly to that part of the body. We have a smart body. So number one, for everyday immune support, apply 1 to 2 drops of On Guard topically on the bottom of the feet, or when you need during a cold or flu. Take 1 to 2 drops internally in a veggie capsule. Number two, to cleanse the air for airborne microbes, put it in the air by people who are coughing and sneezing. And you can diffuse 5 to 6 drops in the Pebble diffuser. It's great for a workplace or a classroom. And then number three, use Doterra On Guard line to support healthy teeth and gums, safe and effective for cleansing surfaces, hands, and skin irritation. The 10th oil in the Healthy Start Kit is the king of oils. I was saving the best for last. It is the oil that we use when we don't know what to do, when the cellular health depends on modulating inflammation or normalizing it. Frankincense becomes our daily habit. So number one, use 1 drop 2 times a day internally in a capsule for healthy functioning cells, uplifting a low mood, and calming the nervous system. I add it to a roller bottle. I roll it on the spine daily, and that calms the whole nervous system that way. Number two, use it in the owie recipe with lavender and tea tree for soothing wounds and skin restoration. It is great for smoothing wrinkles. And frankincense is the F in the flute immune blend. Number three, diffuse for aromatic benefits for lung support with lemon to create calming environment and neurological support with lavender. Isn't nature amazing? And this is the tip of the iceberg of what these top 10 oils can do for you and your family's best life. Now, you can learn more with the A to Z guide that you will receive in your goodie bag from me, or you can actually purchase the Oil Magic Reference Book with pages. I use this all the time. It has amazing recipes and oil application, and it is just $20, or ask how you can get it for free. So check below for recipes and a link to the Healthy Start Kit if you needed to refer to a friend. And then there's a Healthy Home Kit, which offers the same oils, but it has 3 times the amount in it, and they come in 15 ml bottles. And it's also less than double the price of the Healthy Start Kit. This has great savings. So if you want to start with a little bit more, that's the kit to go with. And just a reminder, this kit comes with a free continued oil education series, so you can be a healer in your own home. You get great tips for using essential oils in my private Oil for Life Facebook group, so go ahead and join that. And then you get a personal wellness consult and a continued support from me and my team. So give me a thumbs up and subscribe to follow my YouTube videos, and talk to you soon. I'm looking forward to hearing how you're using the oils. Bye.